Liyah, Lapu-Lapu City's newest superhero, Episode 6, Fiesta Frenzy, Part 1. The air buzzed with excitement in Lapu-Lapu City. It was fiesta time, and Liyah was pumped. She sported a coal-head scarf and a bright smile as she squeezed through the crowd with Blaze, her scruffy dog sidekick, by her side. Blaze's tail wagged like a metronome, keeping beat with the awesome music. Gotta stay positive, Liyah mummed to herself, feeling the happy chaos all around. Today, she wasn't just here to have fun. She was like a secret guardian angel, making sure everyone enjoyed the fiesta safely. Suddenly, a loud, mean voice cut through the music. "Hold up, give me your wallets." Three teenagers, barely older than kids, weaved through the crowd like pickpockets on a mission, snatching bags and phones in a flurry of nervous excitement. Blaze let out a sharp bark, ears perked up like satellite dishes. "Asa ka man ganit diri, mga batan-on? What are you doing here, you guys?" he growled in doggy talk, which surprised even Liyah. The crowd froze in shock for a second. Liyah, though, sprang into action. A memory flashed in her head, a kind old lady offering her a steaming cup of a mysterious drink. Flashback. A young Liyah, barely thin, huddled in a street corner, thirst screaming down her face. The world was a tough place, and she felt totally alone. An old woman with kind eyes and wrinkled face walked up to her, holding a steaming cup of something Liyah had never seen before. "Inom bata," the woman said gently. "Moringa ni, tabangan ka ani nga makabot sa imong mga damgo. Drink this, kid. It's moringa. It's help you reach your dreams." Back to the present, the memory filled Liyah with determination. "You won't get away with this," she yelled at the robbers, her voice strong and clear. The crowd, still a little stunned, parted like the Red Sea as Liyah and Blaze zipped through, fueled by her positive thoughts. "If you believe you can do it, you can't." Liyah weaved through the people with surprising agility. Her small size helped her navigate the crowd like a tiny ninja. Blaze, a blur of fire and energy, used this small size to his advantage, nipping at the heels of the teenagers and making them trip up. One skinny kid with a bad attitude snatched a sparkly purse from a distracted lady. Blaze, with a determined yelp, lunged for the boy's leg, but missed. The kid yelped in surprise, fumbling with the purse. Liyah saw her chance, darted forward, and snatched the purse back before the boy could grab it again. "Thanks, Blaze," she whispered, a grateful smile spreading across her face. The woman, relieved and a little shaky, grabbed Liyah's hand tightly. "Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver," she exclaimed, her voice filled with relief. The chase continued, a crazy dance through the vibrant fiesta crowd. Every time a thief snatched something, Liyah and Blaze were there, like pesky flies. The stolen pile in Liyah's arms grew, a cracked phone screen, a colorful wallet overflowing with pictures, a shiny watch flashing in the afternoon sun. The frustration on the teenagers' faces grew with each failed attempt. The initial excitement of the highest was replaced by a desperate need to escape. One by one, their bravado crumbled under the pressure. Just as Liyah spotted a gap in the crowd, perfect for cutting off the last thief, a loud bang echoed through the air as three firecracker rounds way too close exploded right next to Blaze. He yelped in fright and bolted through the crowd, disappearing into a maze of brightly colored boats. Panic surged through Liyah. "Blaze!" she cried out, her voice lost in the cacophony of the fiesta. To be continued. Can Liyah catch the last thief? Will she see her loyal sidekick Blaze again? Hit the subscribe button to receive notification of the next episode.